a boy? Is it a boy or is it a girl? Hello po.
Hi, my name is Nigel, and I think it's a boy.
Hi, my name is Josh. I think it's a boy. I feel
It's them, and I think it's a boy.
Hi, I'm Mark. I think it's a boy.
Hi, my name is Darling and I think it's going to be a baby girl. Team girl.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and I think that the gender is gonna be pink. So it's a girl. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jun. I think it's a girl. John, I think it's a boy.
Lem, I think it's a boy.
Hi, I'm Michael Bines. I think it's a girl.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bernadette and Lincoln's Gender Reveal. Okay, so before anything else, before we start this, we would like to welcome each and everyone here. I know this is, thank you so much for taking your time on behalf of Bernadette and Lincoln and also their parents and their families and friends. Thank you so much for taking the time to come and join them and celebrate this wonderful blessing for them.
Would like to welcome natin yung parents ni Badettes and ni Nicole, Mommy Nicole from the Philippines. And we would also want to welcome the sister of Nicole and the brother-in-law from Montreal and nephew. Welcome. And the Mapuans. Yes, Mapuans. Also our church family and our other friends. Yes. Yes.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so since we have two tables here, before we even go to the buffet, it's like for you guys to, join us in a game first, okay? So, team, yes. Pakibigay ng props natin.
Team lang.
Pwedeng apat. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 10, team.
So, nakikita niyo yung you've seen the paper with letters. So, it says here, anong pangalan ko? So, you will be writing yung mga pangalan in Tagalog. Okay, ready? 1,
Carly.
Walang repetition.
Ducks. Nado.
Isip-isip.
Bebang. De Guzman. Pero De Guzman. Carlo. Carlo. Angela.
May beef stroganoff, may kare-kare, may pancit, may
Tito. Jokoy, si Jokoy.
Bilisan! Kiko!
Henry.
Lani!
masarap ang food, may lumpia.
Pwede na yun. Si Kay Kaloy, pwede yan.
Si Lola. Lola.
Lola?
Si Enrico.
Ang hirap ng
Basta.
All the alphabet. 55 seconds.
Take away!
Okay, tingnan natin ha kung tama yung mga pangalan nila kung gaano kaganda. Then, we will let Lincoln and Godette pag-isipan nyo. We'll put the balloon inside. I'll make one balloon for you. So, the shirt, okay? Shake whatever, okay? I know bago kain kayo, but you have to shake your body. Alright? And the first 5 person, okay, the first 5 person who gets the balloon out of their shirt wins the game. Okay? First, okay? Ready? Get your phones and cameras ready. Go! Wala There's no Come on! Okay, team girl. Sino yung team girl? Team boy! Okay. The team or reveal. So ready na ba tayo to reveal?
May
Let's start now. Who will go first, Badette? Can you please spin the wheel? Ay, ano dyan? May feel mo. Girly. And then she will stick it the, ano, okay. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay. Aiming call.
Oh my God! Basta mauna. Yung
Yes. Kung saan malapit yun. Sige, kay lang.
Girl!
Wala mangyayari dyan.
Girl! R!
Ano hindi mo alam?
R!
Ano na, sir? Di ba lang? Oh no!
Hindi ako naniniwala. Sorry. Babae!
Boy or girl?
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Sige lang, let's go on kung...
Uy!
Ay!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Girl!
Oh! Ay! Malalaman!
Huy!
Sige, Nicole, 2 more letters!
Habol si
3 more pala! 4 letters ka lang? Sige pa, go,
Hindi
go,
nga.
go!
Habol si girl!
4 letters! Or
G-I-L.
Ayan na, kung ano malapit, sige na. Para ma-reveal na to yung excitement natin.
Hindi ko nanggigigil. Grabe na nga yung pag-subscribe ko yan. Ay! Tapos girl. Ate girl.
Okay.
Ate girl pala.
Ano ba?
Paano?
Saan ba merong sun dyan, Badette? Saan ba? Yan yan!
Wrong move and placement?
Under the
Ano ba yan?
Under the placement.
Dito! Surprise! The pause just begun. Right the back, and then you can see the full out. Let's see. Will it be an I or an O? The missing piece we will finally know. Hindi pa pala tapos. Under the chair.
Okay, girl. Slowly lang.
sabi niya lang pala.
Thank you everyone for coming. And thank you everyone for coming. And super appreciate all your effort, support coming here. And very grateful talaga kami sa inyo because you're the family we built here in Canada. Even though just 2 years here, people we've known already from Philippines and from